listen to me. If you don't like and save and share and throw me a bone with this video of taking this front end apart, please stop watching. It is very thorough and it's very, I did all the hard work so you don't have to struggle. So there you have it. Let's get started. Behold the Sierra. And I already started without you, as usual. Because I wanted to see what I was up against. And these clips, just like all American clips, they suck. They're tight, they stay in, so what I did, I pushed them in and grabbed them because they fell on the floor. One went back behind here. So, here's what we're up against. You gotta take this fender wheel well cover, or fender flares. These clips actually survived, which I'm surprised and glad that they did. You see how this one's still sort of in there? So that's how you take that off to get to this one lone 7mm. Now, aside that, you got two more 7mm. I'll show you on the other side. No, actually these are Torx. These are T15s. Gotta love them. Very, very tiny, and they'll wool strip. So that relieves the pressure over in the corner. That allows you to separate from this wonderful felt cover. Now behind that is attached to two more clips. So I use my wonderful fork tool to get back behind there. I thought it was only one. Nope, there's two. Now that is relieving the pressure. So now I can grab from here. It looks like it's coming off. So let's get the top out and continue on. Let's get all these clips out of the way and see this little indent right there. You have to get the centers out. You see how the center pops out? Let's get these out and see what's underneath here. See? Top comes off, center, bottom comes out. And just align back into each other. Let's get all 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, that many. So after that many, put in a safe spot, of course. This comes out, but of course, you have to, I guess, remove this so this can come out to get the bumper off. Are you kidding me? Maybe that's why the screws are here. God, I love the Americans. Yeah, you ain't getting this out without getting this off. Yep, gotta get it off. So stupid. It really is so stupid. So now we have a bare handle. Let's get this cover off. And since I was already loaded with my T15, safe spot. That is one empty void. Let's finish this side and see if I can get this thing off. Okay, so what I noticed was on the other side, I was nice and gentle. This time I pulled quickly. A quick jerk helped, but it's up to you. These all stayed. The other ones I had to grab out of them. So you see now, let's get that out. Alright, so here's what I noticed is easier. Go on both sides. Come on this side, and come on this side. Come on this side, come on this side. They'll come out just intact enough where you don't have to have any problems. Now, let's get the 7mm out. You can turn it just enough. You see, you just turn and get your drill in there. Then we get the T15s out. So we can get to those push pins. Put them in a safe spot. Now, this gives you access to see. You see? That wonderful push pin right there. And then the one right behind it. I'm telling you. The faster the pull, it came right out. Didn't even have to use my tool. I was doing it on the other side just to test. So, still wrapped up around here. See? It's starting to come out. Let's get both hands and start pulling right here. I'm sure they're all just clips. Looks like they're all just clips, yeah. A clip right there. I guess probably easier to squeeze it in. See it? Just squeeze that in. Let me go grab some tools. I have this Yeah. Squeeze. So with some help from this, so once I get them off, see this little tab right here? That snaps into the grill. There's another one down there. So you want to line them back up. You see that bottom one? And there's another, just, it's very similar to these. With this, slowly, Wesley, slowly, I relieve the pressure. You do not want to pry against that glass because it is plastic, but you'll still break it. So let's get both hands, and you see some rubbing. And this, let's see if, yeah, see, it pops off. So as loose as I got this, these came out from each other. So I guess you can pull this part away from the grill itself. So to get the grill out, look at this. It's a two-piece. So this black valance around here comes out separately. All right, let's get both hands. I gotta see what's up. I'm not liking that. That's definitely a bolt. Now that is some crazy-ish. Gotta love the Americans. You really do. You gotta give it to them. So these are all these style clips. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.